afternoon, guys. Welcome to our brand new office, agency, and branch. Okay, we are at First Global Summit Life Insurance Agency. Actually, today is the opening of our office, inauguration of our agency.
So it's inspiring to see your vision come to life, and I'm grateful to have been part of this journey with you. Your passion, perseverance, and commitment to excellence are evident in everything that you do.
In our company, ang goal po namin is to give access to quality financial planning to Filipinos. Marami naman po kaming masaserve ng mga Filipinos here in Ortigas and beyond. Yeah, so we'd like to offer you our financial services, quality financial planning, and our financial solutions which will help you get the most out of life.
Okay, and everyone here, thank you so much. Let's celebrate. Let's enjoy today. Tapos mamaya after natin kumain, let's go. Let's go because the job's not finished. Tama?
This is one of the goals that you've achieved in your journey as part of ASIN and now part of First Global LIA, declaring it, manifesting it.
We are First LIA, and we are forever future. First at your service.
We are First LIA of True Life UK. We are number 1. We are True Life UK. For every life, for every future. We are True Life UK. For every life, for every future.
Long life, prosperity, happiness, and wisdom. Cheers! Thank you very much. Congratulations once again, and to God be the glory.
Welcome to True Life UK. For every life, for every future. And you are served by First Global Summit Life Insurance Agency. Come, join us, and be served by a first-rate agency.